everyone! This machine came to us directly from Germany. Recently, LORCH specialist visited us to conduct training and demonstrate this equipment. Do you know what impressed me the most? Not the long list of features, not the endless setup option, but a completely different approach to welding. Engineers at LORCH says 3 steps, 1, 2, 3, and you are ready to weld. Select the material, select the process, set the metal thickness or wire fit speed. Everything else calculated by machine itself, thanks its energy control programs. This is what LORCH call the 3 steps to weld concept. Why is this important? The answer is simple. The less time welders spending just setting, the more time they spend actually welding, and on a production line, time is money. So, the main job of a modern welding machine isn't just to weld. It's to get the welder to high quality result as fast as possible. Today we are going to test 2 interesting property LORCH processes, SpeedUp and MicorTwin. Before welding, it only takes a few simple steps. We choose the materials, wire diameter, shielding gas, metal thickness and the process. That's it. The machine automatically offers the optimal parameters. If needed, the welder can fine-tune the arc for specific tasks, but no complex calculations are required to get started. Let's start with the SpeedUp process on regular structural steel. Normally, vertical up welding requires high skill, careful weaving techniques and constant control of the weld pool. SpeedUp solves this in a completely different way. By precisely controlling the arc and reducing overall head input, it allows you to make vertical welds much more easily, almost without traditional weaving, while maintaining good penetration, proper geometry and minimal sputter. Take a look at the process in action. And now look at the finished result, a smooth bed, no sputter and complete in a minimum time. Now let's switch to stainless steel. Changing the program takes just a few seconds and you're ready to go. Notice how stable the arc is, how low the sputter level is, and how confidently the machine maintains the process even during vertical welding. This is exactly the kind of technology manufacturing companies are willing to pay for. It saves time, reduces reworks and delivers consistent results across every shift. Now let's move on to the process I was most curious about, MicorTwin. This is a patented LORCH technology. When the German team conducted our training, one of the developers himself explained a very interesting feature of this process, which was great to hear firsthand. Unlike standard double pulse, metal transferred here happens only during the peak phase. In the base phase, the arc virtually extinguishes and no metal is transferred. Then comes the peak phase again, another drop is transferred and the cycle repeats. Thanks to this control method, you get a distinct weld pattern that closely resembles TIG welding, but with the high productivity of MicorMIG. Take a look at the arc and now look at the bead appearance. It looks great. That's even better is then you can adjust the pattern appearance through the dynamic setting. You can make the ripple effect wider or thinner. This allows the welder to tailor the weld appearance to the specific job. Let's see how MicorTwin performs on standard steel. Here you can clearly see the signature weld pattern. It doesn't look like classic double pulse. Details like this prove that we aren't just looking at another standard welding mold, but a unique technology engineering by LORCH. Now let's see how MicorTwin works on aluminum. This is where the process really shines. We switch the program just in a second and start welding. Look at the metal transfer, the stability of the processes and the final look of the joint. Where people used to choose TIG welding for an appearance like this, today you can achieve a similar look much faster using MicorTwin. After spending time with the LORCH MicorMIG 400, I reached one clear conclusion. The main advantage of this machine isn't just its power or a long list of modes, it's how fast you get a quality result. Minimum setup time, minimum sputter, minimum reworks and maximum welding time. You can really feel the German philosophy engineering here. It's not about adding as many features as possible, but making sure every single technology solves a real task on the shop floor. SpeedUp makes vertical welding faster and easier. MicorTwin delivers clean, decorative welds at high productivity speeds. Save time, save money. Special thanks to LORCH and their team for the training and the opportunity to test this incredible equipment. That's all. Bye.